Good evening, students. In the previous lecture, we have studied non-cooperation movement, why Mahatma Gandhi started non-cooperation movement, why he withdraw this, who were the main participant in non-cooperation. I hope that topic is clear to you. Now, today we will cover the topic Simon Commission, which is very important from exam point of view. Student, what was Simon Commission? Before we start this topic, we have to understand the Government of India Act 1919. What was Government of India Act? According to this act, the Indian participation will increase in Indian administration now. It means the Britishers finally said that the Indians will also responsible for the decision making, and gradually India will get a responsible government. And in the same Government of India Act 1919, it was decided that after 10 years, it means in 1929, a commission will be called to further cross check the impact and the progress of the Indian Government Act 1919, and they will further suggest or recommend some changes, some constitutional changes in it. It means जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1919 है उसमें ये कहा गया था कि इंडियंस की जो पार्टिसिपेशन है इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को संभालने की, इट विल बी इंक्रीज्ड। और 10 साल के बाद जब एक कमीशन बिठाया जाएगा तो वो ये देखेगा, ये रिपोर्ट चेक करेगा कि क्या 10 साल में इंडियंस का पार्टिसिपेशन हुआ या ये जो एक्ट बनाया गया था उसमें कोई ज़्यादा चेंजेस की ज़रूरत है या नहीं है। एंड आफ्टर 10 years in 1929, in 1927 actually, when Simon Commission was called in India to study the constitutional reforms and make the recommendation to the government, Indians, they all were disappointed because the members who came from London, जो parliament members थे, all were the Britishers. Not even a single member was Indian. It means when we are talking about the Indian constitution, the constitutional reforms, constitutional changes करने हम जा रहे हैं, when we are talking about the policy making which is totally regarding India, and it was very surprised that not even a single member was India. इट मीन्स आप डिसीज़न ले रहे हो इंडिया के बारे में, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के रिफॉर्म्स की हम बात करें कि क्या क्या चेंजेस होने चाहिए, और वो जो साथ के साथ मेंबर्स हैं वो ब्रिटिशर्स हैं। सो student, that time Lord Birkenhead, who was the secretary of the state, he had berated Indians and was responsible for setting up the commission. उसने एक क्वेश्चन किया था that are Indians capable of creating their own constitution? It means he had some doubt that Indians are not capable of creating their own constitution. That is why he called the Simon Commission from London. And when the Simon Commission came into India, we came to know that all the members are Britishers. That is why we boycotted it. Even the Muslim League, Justice Party, Congress Party, all were against it, all boycotted the Simon Commission. Student, I want to tell you two things here. The first is the Simon Commission. It came to be known as the Simon Commission after its chairman named Sir John Simon, because जो chairman थे इनके उनका नाम था Sir John Simon. That is why we are calling it Simon Commission. And the Government of India Act 1919, it is also known as the Montagu Games for Reforms. It means जिसके अंडर बोला गया था that Indians role in decision making now will be increased in future, and they will also be responsible for the decision making. And after 10 years, a commission will be called to check or to review the working and the progress made on the measure taken through this act. Then student, why was Simon Commission boycotted? A simple reason, because all members were Britisher, and that time student, finally the Muslim League, Justice Party in Madras, Congress Party, all decided that they will boycott this commission. There were mass protests, hartals, and black flag demonstration all over India, and a very famous slogan that time, Simon Go Back, was वॉज चेंटेड बाय द इंडियंस. बहुत ये स्लोगन फेमस हुआ था उस टाइम पे. एंड student, as a result, in Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai, who was leading the demonstration against the Simon Commission, he was brutally lathi charged, and finally on uh, 17th of November 1928, he passed away. He later died in the same year due to the injuries sustained then. And student, what was the main impact of Simon Commission? The first one is the dominion status of India according to Nehru report, abolition of diarchy, and then provincial election in 1937, and Indians' opinion would be considered. First of all, here it is very important to understand what was Nehru report. Student, Nehru report means the Motilal Nehru we are talking about here. When the Indians they start boycotting the Simon Commission, that time जो Lord Birkenhead थे, he said that he couldn't do anything against the Simon Commission now, क्योंकि साइमन कमीशन अब तो इंडिया में आ चुका है और उनकी जो रिपोर्ट थी वो तो बन चुकी है. इट मीन्स वही जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म्स करेंगे. नाउ इंडियंस व्हेन दे स्टार्ट बायकॉटिंग इट, finally in December 1927 in Madras session, whose main leader was Mukhtar Ahmad Ansari, he decided two things in Madras session. First, that they will boycott the Simon Commission, and the second, they will create all party conference to draft the dominion uh, to draft the Indian constitution, and it was headed by Motilal Nehru. दिसंबर 1927 में जो मद्रास सेक्शन हुआ उसमें ये डिसाइड किया गया कि एक तो वो साइमन कमीशन को बायकॉट करेंगे, एंड द सेकेंड दे विल क्रिएट द ऑल पार्टी कॉन्फ्रेंस, जिसमें वो जो है एक तरफ से साइमन कमीशन लिखेंगे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो रिफॉर्म्स होनी चाहिए, और एक तरफ से वो अपने चेंजेस लिखेंगे, और वो सेम रिपोर्ट वो किसको देंगे? लॉर्ड बिकनहेड को. और ये जो रिपोर्ट है इसे हम नेहरू रिपोर्ट बोलते हैं बिकॉज इट्स चेयरमैन वॉज मोतीलाल नेहरू. एंड फाइनली जो ये रिपोर्ट लिखी गई इन दिसंबर 1927 इन मद्रास सेशन, जिसके जो मेन हेड थे मुख्तार अहमद अंसारी थे, जिसमें टू थिंग्स डिसाइड की गई थी, द बायकॉट ऑफ साइमन कमीशन, and then finally they will create their own draft of Indian constitution. Finally इस रिपोर्ट ने क्या मांगा? द डोमिनियन स्टेटस ऑफ इंडिया. इट मीन्स डोमिनियन स्टेटस मीन्स दैट इंडिया, पूरा इंडिया फ्री करने की बजाय हमें हाफ इंडिया या ये जो मेन प्रोविनेंसेस है वो हमें क्या चाहिए? फ्री चाहिए. एंड जो मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना थे, सुभाष चंद्र बोस थे, जवाहरलाल नेहरू थे, दे वर टोटली अगेंस्ट इट, द डोमिनियन स्टेटस ऑफ इंडिया. देन द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ साइमन कमीशन इज द अबॉलिशन ऑफ डायरेक्टी. इट मीन्स जो दो तरह की सरकारें थी उस टाइम पे, इसको अबॉलिश किया गया. देन प्रोविडेंशियल इलेक्शन हुए 1937 में, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 बना. आई थिंक वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्ट इन द इंडियन हिस्ट्री. हम जो हैं, जो आज का करंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसकी फाउंडेशन हम कह सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 को. एंड देन द इंडियन ओपिनियन वुड बी कंसीडर्ड. और फाइनली जो है इंडियंस, बिकॉज दे वर अपसेट विद द डिसीजन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट दैट इन साइमन कमीशन इन मेकिंग द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म, देयर रोल वॉज टोटली निगलेक्टेड. सो नाउ इंडियन ओपिनियंस को जो है कंसीडर किया गया. इट वॉज साइमन कमीशन, बट स्टूडेंट, the Simon Commission, it is totally related to the Lahore session. Today we have covered only the one Madras session, December 1927. It means the Nehru report. 3 sessions are more, and the most important is Lahore session headed by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the 3 round table conference. Very important, and we will cover these 2 topics in the next lecture. I hope this is clear to you, and if you have any doubt regarding the Simon Commission, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you.